Good evening, myself Sita Ratnam. Here are some answers to the Node.js interview questions. And the first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technology like API, or PHP? Yeah, we can define it as Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side using the V8 engine. And here the difference can be known. While API and PHP use multiple threads to handle multiple requests at once, Node.js works on a single thread. It is event driven, meaning it can handle both multiple tasks without waiting for one task to finish first. And when we come to the second question, what is a callback function in the Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? First of all, a callback function is a function that passes an argument to another function which gets executed later. Why we use them in Node.js, many tasks are asynchronous, meaning they don't block the rest of the code from running. A callback ensures that the task runs when it's done without stopping other tasks from happening. And when we come to third question, what is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? And the package.json file is like the manual of your project. It tells Node.js about your project and its required tools. And the key properties would be name and version dependencies, dev dependencies, and scripts. It means the custom commands you can use, like starting the server with npm start, like that. And the fourth question is, explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use over the other? And the required is used over the other is for older Node.js code to include other files or packages. And import, this is for newer code that allows ES6 modules. It's cleaner and works well in the modern JavaScript, especially for the web apps. When to use them? And use require if you are using older code or working in traditional Node.js app, and use import in modern JavaScript or when working with the front end code. And then when we come to the fifth question, what is the middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? And the middleware is like a middle layer that runs between the server receiving a request and sending a response. It's often used for tasks like logging, authentication, or modifying the request. And here is one example code. Here the middleware logs every incoming request before continuing to the actual point. And the sixth question is, what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. First of all, a RESTful API is a set of rules for how clients can interact with the server, usually over HTTP. It uses simple HTTP methods, and the first one is get, to get the data from the server. Second one is post, send new data to the server. Third one is put, update existing data. Fourth one is delete, remove data. And here is a example code for this. And the seventh question is, what is the purpose of the Node package manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? So we can define it as npm is a tool that helps you manage external libraries like express, lodash in your node.js project. And the commands can be npm init y, it creates a package.json file, and npm install package, npm update. Eighth one, why it is important to hash password in a web application. It is a process of turning a password into scrambled string of characters. Even if someone steals the database, they can't easily get original password. Thank you.